Also a gold medal. Big round of applause. And now for the men's division 30 plus red belt sparring, the gold medal goes to from National Taekwondo, Luke. Silver medal from Five Rings Taekwondo, Gerald. And the bronze medal from Mascats Olympic, John. Big round of applause, let's hear it for them. Now we have in the ladies division 30 plus red belt, gold from Unified Taekwondo. The silver medal goes to from Black Belt World, Anna.
These are finishing. Oh, careful.
Let's have a big round of applause. They worked so hard for that. Now we have sparring for the ladies 18 to 29, blue, black stripe. The gold medal from World Class Taekwondo goes to Massive.